Despite considerable efforts, healthcare-associated infections continue to be a global issue. These are responsible for serious diseases, increased costs of treatment and prolonged length of hospital stay. Among potentially preventable sources of microbial pathogens causing healthcare-associated infections, patient care items and environmental surfaces frequently play an important role in chain of transmission. Microorganisms contaminating such high-touch surfaces include gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, viruses, yeasts and parasites. The improved cleaning and disinfection is effective in decreasing rate of healthcare-associated infections. It is important to understand the basic terminologies before we can understand different surface cleaning strategies used in the control of infectious outbreaks. Sterilization describes a process that destroys or eliminates all forms of microbial life and is carried out in healthcare facilities by physical or chemical methods. It basically means, each and every microbes have to be killed or eliminated. Sterilization with steam under pressure is done with autoclaves. Pressure serves as a means to obtain the high temperatures necessary to quickly kill microorganisms. Specific temperatures must be obtained to ensure microbicidal activity. The two common steam sterilizing temperatures are 121 degrees Celsius and 132 degrees Celsius. Dry heat sterilization of an object is one of the earliest forms of sterilization practiced. It uses hot air that is either free from water vapor or has very little of it, where this moisture plays a minimal or no role in the process of sterilization. Ethylene oxide, or ATO, is a common gas used for low-temperature sterilization. It is a colorless, poisonous gas that attacks the cellular proteins and nucleic acids of microorganisms. This process inactivates microorganisms primarily by the combined use of hydrogen peroxide gas and the generation of free radicals, namely hydroxyl and hydroperoxyl, during the plasma phase of the cycle. Liquid chemicals are the principal sterilizing agents used in healthcare facilities. When chemicals are used to destroy all forms of microbiologic life, they can be called chemical sterilants. FDA recommends that the use of liquid chemical sterilants be limited to reprocessing only critical devices that are heat-sensitive and incompatible with sterilization methods such as steam and gas vapor plasma low-temperature processes. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to share your views on this issue in the comment section. Check the description for similar videos and product links.